Hey folks, Mandy McFly coming at you from the Badger Workshop, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install the Badgerwheel SureStart. Now, I always say the only thing I hate more than carrying my one wheel is working on it, but Badger has given me his personal assurance that this project will be easier than changing your grip tape. So, let's find out if it's true. Alright, before we get started, we're going to take a quick look at what's in the box. Okay, so first we've got the SureStart GT unit. Next, we've got the SureStart cable. And finally, we have this little pouch, which contains an alcohol cleaning pad and a bit. Now this bit is designed to fit this tool. So if you don't have this tool, or if you lost the original Allen key that came with your Onewheel GT, you're going to want to pick up a Onewheel GT toolkit when you get your SureStart. Step 1 of the SureStart Easy Install. Remove your front bumper, foot pad, and controller lid. Here we're going to take our included bit and replace that in our tool. And we're going to take the lid off of here. Lefty-loosey in case anyone forgot. I did. Yeah, I totally thought I was going to have to take the controller like all the way out. So I'm already pretty happy with this process. Step 2. Clean the connector pins with the alcohol wipe. According to the photo on Badgerwheel.com, this right here is the area that we need to clean. Step 3. Unplug the headlight cable and plug it into the SureStart. Then plug the SureStart cable into the headlight. That feels like 2 steps. Unplug the headlight cable. Does it matter which side I plug it into? Plug the SureStart cable into the headlight. Okay, next. Make sure the little door is open and then slide the SureStart over the connector board. That's the door. And it's open. Oh, yep, there's a nice that little notch there. Okay. PCB fits into the notch. And then I'm going to look and make sure that you're seeing the PCB in those 2 little windows. After that, just close the door and you're done. Now here's a step I might not think to do. Before you put the lid back on to the controller, plug the foot pad back in and make sure that it's working. As you can see, we have life, and when you touch one side of the sensor, both sides engage. Boom. So I'm going to go a little bit off script on the reassembly. This step is absolutely not required. You can totally put back the same gasket that you took out of the board. However, I happen to have a replacement standing by, so we're going to get rid of this, and we're going to replace it with this. This is the new and improved, upcoming, as yet unreleased, waterproof gasket from Badgerwheel. No silicone required. Ooh, that's a nice fit. Oh, that is extremely satisfying. Folks, if you're suffering from seasonal affective disorder, get your crumb of serotonin here with the Badger gasket. Coming soon. The actual first step is to make sure that your bolts aren't full of dirt.